Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 993 that we're working on last week and now this week. Front covers all done, timing case covers, brand new ones, aluminium brand new ones, in top cam cover, lower cam cover as well. That's done. Rear main seal, we took the gearbox off, was leaking pretty bad. It's all cleaned up now. Brand new rear main seal here. There's the old one there. Alright, so the other side's done as well. Cam cover, top cam cover is done. Lower one we're going to do it tomorrow because the gasket was missing, so we had to get a new gasket. Intake manifold gasket as well is done, so this is the one for the intake manifold. So we took the intake manifold up, just lift it up and then put a new gasket. We're going to torque it up tomorrow, so you can see. But that's the old one, and we're gonna start just slowly building everything back up on this car here, and then we're gonna do the timing, check the timing first for the actual distributor. New belt, we're gonna get a new belt for the actual power steering. It's cracked already, see that? That cracked, so get a new belt for the power steering pump, and pretty much put the gearbox on, and then have a look at the clutch tomorrow. I'm pretty sure the clutch is still fine. This is the clutch. But we're going to double check it tomorrow anyway, using a special tool to measure how straight it is. Yeah, we're getting along really nicely, and now last thing we're going to do, we're going to cut all these bolts off. They're broken off in the exhaust, and drill it out and put new ones on. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.